This water is really silty and it's really dirty. So we're really gonna put this filter to the test. Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's. What's up, explorers? I'm out here at Powhatan State Park. I haven't explored much of this park. I've only been one time, but the James River does run through this park. I don't know if I'm gonna use my paddleboard, but who knows? We'll see. I do have my mountain bike, so we're gonna do some biking. And I saw on the map that there's some cabin ruins. You already know. Love ruins, love creepy, spooky, unusual things. So let's go find it. This water right here I got from Briar Creek Lake. I used my new reverse osmosis filter that I'm doing a review on. You'll see that video soon, but this is fresh, clean water. And it's going right in my water bottle because it is hot today. Oh yeah. Also, I'm using this new Gorilla Pod. Thank you to the subscriber who got this for me, along with the camp table that you'll probably see later in this video. But this thing, I'm gonna see if I can strap it to the bike or wrap it around and see if it holds. But thank you. There was no name on the Amazon note, so. Okay, so this might be a weird angle of sorts, and I hope my audio is okay, but I got the Gorilla Pod attached to the bike. I don't know how good this is gonna work. It's probably gonna flop around quite a bit. But, yeah, it's probably not gonna work. What else? This is good enough for me, I guess. Alright. I'm hoping that this footage is not gonna be too shaky or will make anybody sick. This is my first time attempting to film like this with the Gorilla Pod. It seems to be holding, so I'm hoping that it works out okay. But we're now on the cabin trail, and there's supposedly cabin ruins on this trail, so that's why I chose to do this one first. Looky here, it looks like we found us some cabin ruins. Let's check it out. Old foundation. Wow. And then you got the old chimney. The chimney is always the last thing standing. If you know why that is, comment down below. Check that out. There's even an old bucket. It looks like some kind of wire of sort. That's pretty cool. I love seeing old remnants like that. There's not much really here, but it's still cool to see old structures like this and wonder who was out here? Whose place was this? How are they like, you know? I always wonder those questions when I find areas like this, because it's a natural thing, I guess, but that's pretty awesome. Let's see what else this park has to offer. There's a lot of butterflies on that poop. I don't even know what kind of butterflies they are, but they're having themselves a feast. Alright, explorers. That's the end of the mountain bike portion. I'm back in the van. I'm thinking about refilling my half-gallon water. and using the reverse osmosis water filter. So we'll see how that goes. But right now, I'm just chilling. And while I'm sort of, kind of near Richmond, I may go to Trader Joe's. Who knows? Because Trader Joe's is my favorite grocery store in the entire world. And anytime I'm near one, I cannot help but go to it and get an item and a couple other items, actually. So we'll also see how that goes. But I'm just gonna chill for a bit, rest up, get rid of these spaghetti legs after I done rode that mountain bike for probably 3-4 miles. Haven't rode in a while, so yeah, I'm out of shape. Your boy needs to work on that. The beautiful James River. Let me not go down the center of this. Let me go over here before I fall down up in here. But yeah, it's always so peaceful. Remember the video where I was paddling in this in the mountains? The James River runs clean across the state of Virginia. It's awesome. It's massive. And the cool thing is, it's named after me. No, I'm just kidding. We have the same names, even though that one's named after King James. Still though. This water is really silty and it's really dirty. So we're really gonna put this filter to the test. First we get that filter hose out. That's the first thing that should go on. This is what goes in the water to suck up the water. So let's get this joint on there. Get this off. Alright, cool. I'm gonna put this in the machine and toss this in the dirty water. Next, I gotta put these two. This is the drinking water line, and this is the concentrated where you use like cleaning and like washing dishes type water. Alright. Put this drinking water hose in there. Boom. So now and there we go. It's set. Let's start this is 30 seconds. I gotta let this thing clean, so I'll take it back out. Oh sweet, it's just coming out of this. Hold up. So that's the dirty water that was in the machine that it's purging and back flushing itself out. And then that clean drinking water is gonna come out of this after 30 seconds. There it goes. It's filtering that disgusting James River down there where the fish are swimming right by the thing. Nice clear water, super clean. Down here you can see that milky, dirty, disgusting water. coming out of the filter. So yeah, still. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up the little fish swimming right by the filter. I truly find it amazing that you can have such a portable setup to go out and filter any fresh water source you want, and it uses a battery and you can charge this thing on solar. Like, what? This is a game changer, and it also offers a solution when I can't find water at different water stations. I can just go filter my own water and boom, fresh water to drink. I love it. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's get back to the dam. And just to prove to y'all that I will drink this water, no problem. That water tastes really good. Fresh water, clean water, straight from the river. Hey, drinking James River water. Who would say they would do that? Because that river is disgusting. I make my own bottled water. Just kidding. But yeah, that machine is awesome. It's very cool if you have like an emergency or apocalypse or something and you have that machine. You can charge it by solar. It's got battery. You're good to go. I love that machine. Review coming soon, as I said before. I just googled map Trader Joe's and it's 25 miles away, 36 minutes. You know what? Since I'm so close, screw it. Let's go to Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's. Yeah. Okay, y'all, listen. I went in Trader Joe's. I got my stuff. I came out. It was rush hour, so traffic was crazy. I didn't film anything. I drove probably like an hour and 40 minutes. And now I'm finally in a safe space to where I can show you my Trader Joe's haul. Now keep in mind, I like to snack while I'm driving, so everything in this bag has been opened. I got these ridge cut kettle cooked potato chips with sea salt. They're good. They're really good, actually. And they give you a lot, so that's why I like getting those. I try not to eat chips a lot, but, you know, sometimes it's good to eat things that's not good for you. Next up, Trader Joe's fig cookies. These things are actually really, really good. I ate these, and these are some of the best tasting fig cookies, I guess you can say, that I've ever had. Like, literally, these are so good. Then, of course, we got the almond butter pretzel nuggets. These things, every time I go to Trader Joe's, this is one item that I look for and get. I gotta have them. Last but not least, that vegan banana bread. Let me tell you, this banana bread, I love it. I love this banana bread so much. It is absolutely phenomenal, delicious. I could eat it like every single day for a meal. This stuff just, whew, hits the spot for real. And that's all I got from good old Trader Joe's. I basically just got snacks and stuff. because I don't have a refrigerator to get all the nice cold foods. So I had to settle for like the dry foods, the snacks, that type of thing. But when I do get that fridge, now that I got the power, ooh, I'm gonna be getting some delicious food. I'm gonna start cooking some better meals. Whew, let me tell you. But yeah, explorers, today was actually a great day. We got a nice little bike ride and we got to drink clean water from the James River. How many people can say that? The James River is disgusting in certain parts, and that part of the James River is pretty disgusting. Now, up higher in the mountains, of course, it's better quality water, but down toward like Richmond and stuff, ugh, no way. So we got to bike. We got to get that filtered water from the James River. We walked around a bit. I just chilled in the van. I didn't really film it. Then we went to some good old Trader Joe's. I would say today was a pretty nice day. Any day that you can get out and just do this. You know, hang out in the van, hang out outside the van, just enjoy nature and ride bikes is an amazing day to me. So I hope you all enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for all the love, all the support. And if you stayed this long, feel free to like, subscribe, comment what your favorite part of this video was. And as always, explorers, peace, love, and have a great day wherever you are. Now I'm gonna tear these snacks up.